Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how Odoo Sign Document enables secure PDF signing through email links, allowing admins to send documents easily, customers to sign without logging in, and ensuring smooth approvals with instant confirmations. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Go to your Odoo backend, click on the Home menu, navigate to Sign Document, Configuration, and click on Sign Items. Create a new item by entering a name, selecting the field types, enabling the Is Required option if needed, and adding an icon code for visual representation. I've already created some items. Now go to Documents and upload a PDF file. Just click on Upload. After uploading, the document opens with available sign elements. Drag the required sign elements onto the PDF, resize them as needed, place them correctly, and click Save Template. For example, drag the signature wherever you want, drag the date, or add a text area and a name. Just click on Save Template. Now go back to Documents. Click on the uploaded document, then click the Send button. Select the contact to send it to and confirm by clicking Send. The document is now sent to the customer for signing. I've selected an internal customer to verify the process. Now go to Settings, search for Email, and click on the recently received email. Click on Sign Your Document. You can see the signature and date areas clearly. Just sign, enter the date, and click Save. The signature automatically reflects on the admin panel. Verify by clicking Sign Document. The Preview and Download buttons are visible. Click Preview. You can clearly see the signature and date. You can print or download if you want. Simply click Keep to download the PDF. What's even more powerful is applying sign template functionality across all models, like accounts, customers, companies, or sales orders. Click on Sign Template, select New, select the model, like sales order, then select items like sign and name. Save it. You'll see the Upload PDF option. Click it and select a file. Drag the signature wherever you want on the PDF, place the name at the top, and save the template. Now go to Sign Template, Sales Order, and click Create Contractual Action. Go to Sales, Sales Order, click the gear icon. You see the Send Sign Documents option. Click it, add the contact, and click Send. The PDF is sent to the contact, Deco Addict, confirm by searching for the email. Click on Sign the Document. You see the signature option, fill it, enter the name like admin, and click Save. Go back to the module. The quotation, Sales Order 21, states changes from draft to confirmed. You can see the signature and name. Print or download from here. That's all about the module. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvadesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.